Welcome back, developers. My name is David, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create your own QB core server with Airnode Hosting. First of all, go to their website at airnode.nl, and then you'll want to log in or create an account. For me, I'm just going to log in. I already have an account. After you've logged in, you'll want to go to your dashboard. If you cannot find the dashboard, just click home and you'll be redirected to the dashboard. Then scroll down and you will see over at services FX server hosting. You'll want to click on FX server hosting. Then you will have 8 servers, and we recommend buying the 10 euros one. It's amazing and it's cheap for the stuff you get. After you bought the server, you want to go to your mailbox. You want to log in, and you will see an email telling you that your account has been created. Search for that email and open it. Then you will see a blue button here. Click on it. If you cannot click on it, just press this link under it. Then you'll want to create a new password. Make sure you will remember this password. So with this password, you're going to log in, and you're going to go to the panel, and if you want to change some files, add resources to your FiveM server and stuff, you will need this password to log in your FTP to add the resources or files or whatever. So make sure you remember the password. Then you'll want to go back to the login and log in, and then you will see this screen. Whatever FX server you bought, then you want to click on manage server. Then you will see this screen. Don't worry yet, this is very easy. You want to go first of all to file manager, and then you want to click this button over here and then click on delete. Don't worry, don't worry about this, it's just for now. Then you want to go to database. You want to create a new database. I'm just going to call mine QB, simple, and click on create database, or I guess not. I guess I'll just call it QB server and create a new database. Then you'll want to go to I believe network, and then you want to create a new allocation, and then copy the port. Make sure it's the secondary one, not the primary port, the secondary port. I might just copy it. Then you want to go to startup. Over here, you're going to scroll down and enable TXadmin. If you like TXadmin, I'm going to enable it because it's a very useful tool, and put in the port. I don't have a Steam Web API key. You can just make one that's very straightforward, how to put in your Steam Web API key. Then the FiveM server version, you'll want to copy this link over here, or it will be in the description too, and open the link. Then you'll see the latest versions. I'm gonna pick the latest version, which is 7.257. Then 7.257 is the latest version, and that's it. Everything automatically saves. If you don't see a save button, don't worry about that. And then you'll want to give your server a name. I'm gonna just call mine Airnode. And then you can configure the max players. You cannot have more than 48 players if you don't have a subscription. I'm gonna just put 8. And then your FiveM license key. You want to get your FiveM license key by going to this link over here. Open new tab, paste it in. And then you want to register a new server. For your own records, just put in the server name. I just put in Airnode, and then the initial IP address. You can find it by going back to the panel, then go to console, and then copy IP. Then go back and press paste it in without the port. Make sure you remove the port because it will glitch out. Then click here, other/home hosted, and just put in Airnode. Then I'm not a robot, and then press generate. After that, you will copy your FiveM license key go back to server to your panel, go back to startup, and you wanna change the key. I'm pasting the key. Then you'll wanna go to settings and press on reinstall server. It will take a few seconds and I'll be back when it's done. Alright, now that's done, you'll wanna go to console and then press on start. Let everything run. And then you will get this message over here. If you don't see, just scroll up a bit, and then you wanna copy this IP. Make sure the port is. You also copy the port too. You wanna copy it, or you can press on it. Okay, and copy your PIN and link your account. Now, just press on continue. Create a master password. Make sure you remember it too. And then click on create master. Then you will see this page over here. You just want to press next, and then I'm gonna just call mine Airnode. This is my server name. And then you want to click on popular recipes. Then search for QB Core framework and press on that. If you wanna change the path, which is I don't really recommend changing the path, but for ease, I'm just going to change the path and use the server initials. So just delete this path and use the server initials. I'm gonna just call mine actually Airnode. That's it. Then just press save. Then go to recipe deployer. Press next. You don't have to change anything here. Press next, and then you wanna put in your FX key again. So go over here, go to startup. Oh, I did not save apparently. Let's get the key again. After you copy the key, you'll wanna go here and paste the key again. Make sure to press and show / hide database options. You're gonna show the options. You'll have here a few options: database host, port, username, password, name. So to get all your database information, you want to go back to database, and then the database host is you can see the database host is this here, the endpoint. Just copy that. The port is the same. Make sure you do not keep the port here, and then it should look like something like this. Of course, you'll have another IP address because it's different. Then the database username, it will be this string over here, and then the password will be this. And then the database name, you can find the database name back here. Just copy that over here and paste it. Then all you just have to do is run recipe. Now we're just done with the hardest part. Now we'll just let it load, and I'll be back when it's done loading. Alright, so mine is done. Just press on next. By the way, if you have any errors, you can always contact Airnode over here with your chat system. Then here, do not press on save and run server yet. We're going to change a few things. So the endpoints, we're gonna change the port. To find the port again, you wanna press on copy IP. You wanna open a notepad or something and get these last numbers over here. You wanna copy them and replace them both over. Replace TCP and UDP with the ports. Then again, you can change the max players we'll have. I will have 8. The SeamWeb API key, I don't have any. You can set tags, for example RP and stuff. Department of Justice, doesn't really matter. Then the server key, do not delete, I won't keep it. Then the server name, this name will come up in the server list. I'm gonna just keep it Airnode. And then the project name will be when you click on the server, like it's the little card I will show you later. and then you have the description of the server. I'm gonna just put here cool RP server by Airnode, and then you can set the local to n-us. Then you can set the server logo if you have a logo. If you don't have a logo, just leave it be. Then you'll have a game build, just keep it like that, and then you'll have the MySQL connection string, so this pretty much connects to your database. Then you will have some configs, and then the QB core use target is the third eye people say when you hold Alt. I'm going to enable it by removing true and replacing it with false with true, and then you'll have some more stuff over here. Don't need to worry about. Everything is looking good, and just press on save and run server. There we go. Now the server is starting up. Give it some time, about 5 minutes, because QB core has a lot of resources. I don't have a powerful server because I just got the free server. I'll just let it load for a bit, and I'll be back when it's done loading. Alrighty, everything has been built. My server is online. It obviously takes some time because it's just the first time the server starts. It has to build everything. I'm just going to give it another restart because why not? Alrighty, I've restarted everything. Everything is done loading. Now let's open FiveM. Oh, alright, I do have to open, I guess. So it's either you're gonna find the server by searching the name. This is the server. If you cannot find it in the list, it takes some time to load anyways. It takes like 30 minutes if you cannot find the server. It's normal, just get like 30 minutes. Then if you don't find the server in the server list, you'll just press F8 on your keyboard and then type in connect and then the IP address, and you should be loading in. We've successfully loaded in our QB core server. Let's create a character real quick. Alright. Select where you wanna go. Let it load. Alright, you can create a character. I'm not going to create it at the moment. And then this is the third eye I was talking about. You have to hold Alt to see your third eye, which you've enabled, and then you have to press right click after the eye goes blue. I'm gonna press right click to see all the options that come. And yeah, this is your QB cursor. Now I'm going to show you how to access the files and how to install SQL files or database files. So I'm gonna exit the game. Alright, for that you wanna go back to the panel, and then you wanna install WinCP. It will be link in the description. Just download it, the 62-bit or the 32-bit. After you've downloaded it and run the installer and stuff, I'm gonna go to settings over here and then click on launch SFTP. Should automatically say this, allow the site to open SFTP link, and you wanna press on always allow just for ease of use, and then choose application. This is my application WinCP. I just downloaded earlier, and then just open link. Then you wanna put in the password you made earlier to create your panel account. Let's log in. Alright, after you've logged in successfully, you wanna go into you do not wanna go into these ones. You wanna go into the folder Airnode. Actually, we can even delete these ones, but I'm not going to include that at the moment because it takes some time. I'm gonna go into here, and then you wanna go into resources, and you will see here all your resources that you have. And if you wanna install SQL files, you wanna go back to console, php my admin, select database server 1. If your login does not work, you want to press on database server 2, but by default it's database server 1. Make sure you copy your username. I'm gonna just select it and press Ctrl C because I have some issues. And then the password again, copy the password, paste in, and then log in. And you should here see your QB core server. And if you wanna import SQL files, for example your phone or something, just press on import, then just browse the files and then just press import, and you'll be automatically imported if you have any SQL files. That's it. Thank you for watching and have a great day.